Hey DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking granite countertops and drill bits, and we're going to show you what we purchased. We're going to open it up, talk about it, and then we're going to put it to use. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, in front of us is the drill bit. Still in the package. We purchased it from our local Menards. It has an extremely strong diamond-coated tip, which will allow it to cut through all of these: porcelain, ceramic tile, marble, limestone, slate, terracotta, granite. That's what we needed to cut through in a later project. Fiberglass, glass, and masonry. My favorite part of this drill bit, number one, it's the proper size for our cut. We are installing a reverse osmosis system, and this is for the faucet, and we have to cut through granite. And you can actually drill your hole without using water. This is suitable for dry drilling of porcelain, marble, granite, and additional items. They do say to prolong drill bit life DTA, recommended dipping in water every 30 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll have a bowl of water next to our drilling spot when we start drilling, and every 30 seconds we will dip this in the water to cool it down. An additional item you can use, here's the instructions for use. Mark the area for drilling, obviously. To avoid drill slipping, use with DTA Universal Guide. And that's just an additional part that goes inside here that actually meets the surface prior to this drill bit, to not allow this to slip or run from you when you're drilling. And clear tile, core, and debris from drill bit after each use. So we are going to put it to use. All right, YouTubers, at this point, I've got the drill bit out of its package, and check that out. Again, diamond coated bit for required strength to drill through that granite. And these are your ventilation slots to allow heat that is generated during this drilling process to escape. And the cool thing about this drill bit, it goes right inside a drill. You don't need any special drills, just a normal drill. So I'll go grab a drill and show you. So what I did was grab my DeWalt drill. This is an older drill, however, it fits in there perfectly. Go ahead and tighten the actual tip there. And this thing is ready to go. And real quick, YouTubers, we have a GE reverse osmosis system, and that's what we are using that drill bit to install that faucet. Here's what we got going on. Find your exact location that you want to make the drill point. Check underneath your sink to verify that you're not going to hit anything during your drilling process, and actually mark the point that will allow you to have enough room for your plumbing and hoses for your actual faucet. And real quick, referring to the instruction manual, we have to drill, so if drilling is needed, drill a 1 3/8 diameter hole in the mounting surface. Read this over. Again, that's if you're using this system. I've also got some water, because on the back, although this is a dry bit for dry drilling, it does recommend every 30 seconds to dip it in water to prolong the life of your bit. So we're going to do that. There's our bowl of water. No ifs, ands, buts. Always wear eye protection. And here's the drill bit we are using. In the event that you have a drill bit that has a cord that plugs into the outlet, I strongly recommend using that, because that will always give you constant power output for your drill. However, this is what we have, and I prepped this area. We do have a textured backsplash here, and I just didn't want dust getting in that area. All right, YouTubers, before drilling, make sure your drill bit is tightly secured in the drill, and do not rush this. Go very slow. Really match your drill bit on your markings, and what a lot of people do, because it's beneficial, is come in at a slight angle. And what we'll do is dip it in the water, and yeah, a little bit of steam, and just carefully reinsert your bit. And again, just apply a little bit of pressure once you actually sink it into the granite countertop, but don't rush it. And I'm going to dip it back in the water again. This is a dry bit, however, to prolong the life or increase the life of my bit, I'm just going to cool it off. All right, YouTubers, making progress. We have got all the way through. And again, just be patient. Beat up our drill. It was all red, but now all that red is gone. We need to go underneath and grab the piece. Be careful, it may be hot. All right, YouTubers, I have grabbed the part. It was a little warm. I carefully set it in the sink. I'm running cold water on it. And pretty clean cut, as you can see. We've made a mess. Time to clean up with our shop vac. All right, we got that cleaned up. What I'll do next is spend a couple minutes and clean up all the dust and debris down below. I won't bore you with that process. And I'll go ahead and remove this tape. At this point, I've got the entire under portion of the sink cleaned up, and I've removed the blue tape. As far as the bowl of water that we were dipping the drill bit into, don't pour that down the drain. There's a lot of granite debris. And from here, now it's time to open up our reverse osmosis system and install it. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on installing this, definitely check out the video scrolling above. You may find that video very helpful. Hopefully this helps. YouTubers, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, we'll see you at the next video.